Good day traders, it's Jason from SureShot FX. Today I have another forecast for you as we focus on the gold pair and look ahead to the upcoming week. But first, let's quickly recap what happened last week to better understand what's coming next in the gold market. We'll start our analysis with the current market structure. Looking at hourly time frame, we can clearly see that bearish market flow is still in control. From last week, we clearly saw that the price didn't break to the upwards and continue its downward momentum, creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And at current price, we can clearly see that Monday price took out this break of structure. As you can see here, price took out this break of structure and currently it's pulling back. And if you look back to higher time frame, if we had the drawings, we can clearly see that daily is still in very bearish. And where it's going to react from, we clearly can't say that. But we have two zones in mind. One is this, another one this, another one is this one. Those are key levels from where we can expect a reaction from gold. Same goes for 4-hour time frame. We can clearly see no signs of reversal and clearly market is going down for the last couple of weeks. So what can we say about this week? Now, as usual, we have marked a strong high which indicate us that we are bearish till the strong high, which is this high is get broken with a strong momentum. Otherwise, we'll continue to go look for short setups. So let's summarize our gold forecast for this upcoming week. As you can see here that gold's this week bias is potentially bearish. Last week, gold melted down. Again, we showed in our last weekly forecast, as the high time frame still have no signs of reversals, we can continue to short golds this week. So if you are looking for gold sell setups, wait for a pullback. As this is Monday, we are expecting that price will continue to go down and react from this daily key level. Based on the current technical instrument points, I believe that gold will continue its bearish momentum this week as well. Let's see how the market unfolds this week. It's also important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, forex trading carries risk, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is the key. That wraps up our gold forecast for the upcoming week. Make sure to subscribe SureShot FX for more valuable insights. Wishing you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today and I'll catch you in the next video.